Hi, I'm Mike Sokol from RV Electricity. In our next video here, I'm going to show you how we're going to connect 120 volt power in here. I'm going to have to take a little break and go find a 30 amp cord, but let me show you basically over here. These are marked as your neutral line and ground inputs. Over here, your ground line and neutral outputs. So we're just going to hook up inputs on right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and loosen these up. All right. Now this is where your 120 volts would come in from shore power, from your shore power connector. And this is where it would go out to your panel box itself. Give me a minute. I'm going to go find a big old heavy 30 amp cord to plug into this thing. I'll be right back.